Hey everybody, it's Christmas time and we are going to be decorating our Christmas tree. I'm going to take you along the way. We'll do some time-lapse stuff, but hope you enjoy the video. Step one, put the lights on. Fiona's got some delicious chili making. She's over there getting some stuff wrapped. We got some Christmas tunes playing, and I've got Rick Steve's Christmas Travel in the background. Scout's hanging out on the couch. Fireplace, check. Good times, check. Stopping to take a chili break after putting the lights on and getting the star on the tree. Hanging up our mistletoe.
It's kind of weird this way.
I like it.
Is it weird?
No, it looks good. Got our fireplace playing here, or fireplace is on rather. And now part 2, adding the ornaments. As you saw last night, we got all the lights in place. Now we're just going to put the ornaments on. So, hope you enjoy.
Got a peace sign because of course we're gonna put that front and center.
Don't you get a lot of attention? Yes, you do. You're a good girl. Just like that ornament.
I think we got this one.
Alrighty folks, as you can see, the tree is complete. Fiona's adding the last little touches, but we like it. Simple, beautiful, all the ornaments have really special meaning and are very, very cherished to us. So, wanted to show you the whole process that we go through each year. But with that being said, we wanted to wish you a happy holidays and be safe if you have to travel to get somewhere. If you liked the video, hit like below, or if you haven't already, hit subscribe. We'd love to show you more videos in the future. So until next time, safe travels. Hello everybody, it's Matt from the future. Just wanted to wish you a happy holidays and safe travels if you are traveling this holiday season. As you can see behind me, we're clearly not in Boston, so look for these upcoming vlogs in the future. Until then, Happy New Year's and happy holidays to all of you.